Welcome to the captivating realm of genetics, where complexities and wonders orchestrate the dance of life. Each organism is a universe of genetic material packed into genomes and genes. A genome is like an extensive library, each book within contributing to the being's grand narrative, while genes are the chapters influencing not just eye color or hair curl, but our very survival. On the brink of this genetic frontier, we're ready to unlock long hidden secrets. From the tiniest bacteria to the tallest trees, genetics interlinks all life. Embark on this journey with us as we decode the blueprints for existence and inch closer to understanding the essence of who we are. Each organism performs its own unique routine in the dance of life, guided by the hidden choreographer, the genome, the genome. This vast library of blueprints within each cell dictates everything from our eye's color to our health's intricacies. It's a blueprint for building life, molecule by molecule. As cells divide, they copy this musical score, preserving the symphony for future generations. Yet the genome symbolizes possibility, inherent potential in every being. In the following segment, we'll uncover how genetic scripts become the traits that define us. Sailing into the genetic ocean, we've touched upon the genome. Now let's explore genes, the essence of our uniqueness and the orchestra of life. These units of heredity are the notes in our DNA, defining traits passed from parent to offspring. More than passive carriers, genes dynamically interact with their environment, influencing development and health. They narrate our biological potential. And as we reveal how genetic sequences chart the paths of our lives, questions arise. How do mere strings of code govern life's grandeur? Watch as we unveil the labyrinth of genetic expression and the marvels of variation in the following chapters. DNA is the script of existence, woven into the stories of our past and blueprints for our future. Every cell interprets DNA's messages, maintaining the symphony of our biological functions. Hundreds of thousands of genes align like sentences, spelling out instructions for life. This code, represented by A, T, G, and C, is the secret to heredity and diversity. As we peer deeper into this genetic enigma, we'll examine how DNA strands transcribe and translate into proteins, the performers in life's grand show. Our next focus: how do these molecular entities breathe life into genetic instructions? In the heart of every cell, gene expression unfolds, a process fundamental to life. Genes guide the assembly of proteins that dictate our structure, functions, and identity. This dance translates life's secrets into action, with each gene giving rise to proteins reflecting our genetic whispers. Our next segment explores the inevitable variations in this concert, the nuances painting life's diverse canvas. But what causes these genetic variances, and how do they drive evolution? Genetic diversity is life's color spectrum, essential to resilience and adaptation. Similar to unique snowflakes, even closely related individuals have distinct genetic makeups, thanks to variation. Mutation and recombination, alongside the intricacies of sexual reproduction, create this vibrancy. As we confront population survival in changing climates and against diseases, we appreciate variation's role. Up next, we examine how variation patterns stitch life's tapestry, sometimes with the unintended consequence of genetic disorders. Heredity shuffles the genetic deck with each new generation, revealing patterns that direct traits along dominant and recessive lines. This dance is complex and sometimes disharmonious, leading to genetic disorders that reflect DNA's fragility. These conditions, both mysterious and enlightening, raise profound questions. What are their mechanisms, and what can they teach us? Our exploration continues as we investigate these disorders, looking ahead to a future of decoding and possible corrections. Our genetic blueprint is the cornerstone of breakthroughs in medicine and agriculture. With CRISPR and other tools, we're not just reading genomes, we're editing them. This power to eradicate genetic diseases or enhance crop resilience ushers us into a new era of innovation. Our next conversation shifts to the implications and applications of genetic modification, as we witness its potential to tailor treatments and sustain food supplies, helping to forge a more prosperous future. As we venture into this new genetic frontier, ethical considerations rise alongside the technological marvels of CRISPR. They compel us to contemplate the responsibility integral to this power. The impact of genetic research extends beyond mere scientific inquiry. It kindles debates on the moral and ethical fabric of our society. With every genome edit, we script human evolution's future courses, underscoring our debates with the need for principles that honor life's diversity. The story of genetics is far from over. It's the prologue to a larger human narrative. At the horizon of our genetic journey, we anticipate a future brimming with potential. The vision of personalized medicine emerges, promising healthcare interventions aligned with our genetic profiles. A journey of discovery now brightens our path to solving complex challenges. Genetics is more than a field. It's the guide toward a world of enhanced health and societal fabric. As this chapter concludes, our genetic odyssey continues, urging us forward to explore the uncharted territories of tomorrow.